ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಉಜ್ಜಯಿನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
The rhyme name is Hello, hello, hello. Nice to meet you, nice to greet you. Say hello, hello new friend, what's your name? I like it, I like it. That's what like, thank you. The rhyme name is Snap your finger, snap your finger, snap your finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Roll your hands, roll your hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stump your hands, stump your hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. The rhyme name is clean. Brush my teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth with them all three. Brush up, press down and all around and keep them clean and neat. In the morning, at night, in the morning, at night. Clean them, press down, clean them, press down. Brush up, press down and all around and keep them clean and
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಿತ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅವರೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
ನಿತ್ಯಶ್ರೀ.
ಓಕೆ.